Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to be showing off my first rig build. It consisted of XFX RX 580s 8GB cards. It really goes to show how simple the rig build was compared to the newest and latest version of the rigs that I have built. Sapphire 6800 XT cards, and that's hitting around 350 MHS, but I just wanted to show off a little bit in this video the first rig I started off compared to the newest and latest one that I have created. So give a sub down below and like this video. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.